In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick fix if your autofill is not working here on the Google Sheets mobile app. So I have this example data right here. What I want to do is to put in a formula on this cell where I multiply the quantity with my price. So I'm going to start with the equal sign, tap on that to reference that cell, multiplied by this one right here, and tap on the check mark, and here we have it. So instead of doing that all over again with my next cell, what I'm going to do is to autofill the rest of my cells right here by selecting that range. Tap on it and you will see your options of cut, copy, autofill, and clear. Now the problem is for some other users that have been commenting on the video that I've made about autofilling your data with this step, they don't actually see the autofill option. So instead of doing that, what we're going to do is to tap on that cell again, tap on it until your options appear, and this time we're going to tap on copy. So once we've copied that, now we can proceed to selecting the rest of our range or the blanks that we want to fill. Once you've selected that range, tap on it again, and we're just going to paste. And that would essentially do the same thing as autofilling the rest of your data if you don't see the autofill option on your Sheets app. So one more time, let me undo that. So what we're going to start with is copying the original formula that we want to use for the rest of our data set. Tap on it and copy. Then we move on to the rest of our range, which we want to fill out. Tap on it and select paste. And here we have it. With that method, we are still able to autofill the rest of our data, even if we don't see the autofill option on our Google Sheets mobile app. And if I just want to compute the total right here, I'm just going to do sum. There we go. Tap on that and select that range. Tap on the check mark, and now we have completed our data set, autofilling our total right here by simply copying and pasting the same formula we've used on our top cell. And if you want to learn more on how to use the Sheets app, I have a complete playlist that I'll be leaving with a card at the top right corner for you to click and watch. Also, if you still need extra help with Sheets, I've got a free guide linked in the description below that you should definitely check out. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.